Hi! Are you spiritually lost? Find inner serenity and happiness difficult? Don't worry, you're not alone. Spirituality might be easy to lose in today's fast-paced environment. It's never too late to change. This video discusses the 5 best techniques to increase your spiritual well-being and prevent sexual issues caused by separation. Let's begin! Erectile dysfunction, a difficult topic, will be discussed today. ED is when men have trouble getting erections. Today's hurried and sedentary lifestyle is accelerating this problem in men. It has numerous causes. Depression, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and nervous system weakness are major ones. These problems can also cause marital discord, stress, and low self-esteem. Here are some solutions. Walking. One Harvard study found that 30 minutes of daily walking reduces the incidence of ED by 41%. Therefore, walk 30 minutes or 5 to 6 kilometers daily. Walking helps obese people lose weight. Obesity is a primary cause of ED. Exercise your pelvic floor. Erection is largely dependent on blood flow and pelvic floor muscles. Yoga asanas strengthen pelvic muscles and improve circulation. At home Mukha Svanasana. Satubandhasana follows. Viparit Karni is third. Fourth, Malasana works well. Matsyasana is fifth. Food affects your health and strength. Third, diet. Taking certain foods regularly can help this ED. Drumsticks lead food. Drumsticks. Drumstick boosts libido and treats ED. It boosts testosterone and sexual virality. Ayurveda suggests eating drumstick flowers and leaves to boost sperm count and treat ED. Second, Ayurveda emphasizes ashwagandha. Ashwagandha treats sexual dysfunction and is an old herb. Ashwagandha, an aphrodisiac, restores sexual strength. Ayurveda shops sell ashwagandha. Take half a scoop of ashwagandha powder or paste in warm milk before bed. See the results after a month. Spinach is recommended third. Folate-rich spinach boosts blood flow. Erectile dysfunction can result from folic acid insufficiency. Eat spinach and witness the results. Fourth, almond. Almonds include vitamin E and nutritious fat, giving you energy to overcome your shortcomings and improving blood circulation. Before bed, drink hot milk with grated almonds. If you are allergic to milk, soak almonds for 4 to 6 hours and chew them before night. Along with these items, eat more fruits and vegetables to acquire enough minerals and vitamins to stay healthy and perform effectively. Avoid alcohol, smoke, and junk food. Fourth, remove tension. Stress causes most disorders, including sexual disorders. Marriage is the most stressful time of a person's life, emotionally, physically, and otherwise, according to studies. After marriage, sexual activity is impossible. Next, she thinks he's impotent. ED and impotence are linked. ED is natural. ED occurs when stressed people are near. No impotency. Impotence is caused differently. Gonal tumors may cause impotence. Impotency from mumps in older people. It's structural and unsolvable. ED is a common issue. Try more calming activities like being in nature, garden flowers, fruits, singing, and dancing. These items are crucial for relaxation and happiness. Slowly, love and happiness grow. Then everything is natural. Erectile dysfunction is easily treatable. It's not a permanent issue, but it takes time depending on two people's personalities. Careful. Work well. Avoid pessimism. Restore your energy and spirit. Confidence, joy, love, and happiness.